Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of 5 Minutes Tech, the ultimate source for bite-sized tech insights. I am Friday, and let's dive into today's top stories from Tech World.
In the ever-changing world of technology, Apple is making strategic moves. The production of the iPhone 15 has begun in India, a key element in Apple's plan to diversify its manufacturing away from China. This shift comes in the wake of protests at an Indian Foxconn plant, where workers suffered from poor living and working conditions. In response, Apple and its supplier, Foxconn, have pledged improvements to ensure the welfare of their workforce. Meanwhile, Apple's other supplier, Pegatron, is also expanding its operations in countries like India, Vietnam, and Indonesia, due to pandemic-induced labor shortages in China. These changes are part of a broader trend with India's Make in India campaign attracting both local and foreign companies. Despite potential challenges, the move is expected to create jobs and reduce dependency on imports. As we watch the tech giants' maneuvers unfold, one thing is clear. The production landscape is shifting, with India emerging as a key player in the global tech industry.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with fellow tech enthusiasts, and remember to subscribe for more quick tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the tech wave. This is Friday.